Hello everyone, welcome back to GigaBuilds Update. Today we bring you the latest and one of the biggest updates from the new Spotify Camp Nou. The third-tier structure is now complete and progress can be seen all around the stadium. Let's take a quick look at how this massive transformation is taking shape. At the Gol Sur area, construction continues steadily. Walls are being added around 0.5 level, creating new interior spaces for future uses. The rebuilding of the first ring is advancing daily, closely matching official renders. The structure now looks solid and impressive, and we're getting closer to seeing compression ring take shape, the element that will define stadium's maximum height. Some entrance signs still lack vinyl covers, but details will be completed before sector reopens. The access indicators for gates and corridors are temporary. Each main access point will be marked by letter such as W. Even accessible entrance signs are provisional for now. All finishing touches will be completed as stadium approaches next construction phase. Around top edges of third tier, formwork panels are now in place, indicating concrete pouring will begin soon. This milestone marks another key step toward final structure as we await first roof support pillars. Through FC Barcelona's webcam, we see continuous progress inside stadium. New precast elements are installed on third tier each day, especially at Gol Sur main stand corner, where full perimeter is complete. Soon, focus will shift from slabs to vertical pillars of roof. In main stand and north goal sectors, scaffolding under third tier suggests reinforcement for future structures above. Pedestrian access is now open after months. This allows clear access to lateral sector and newly built diamond structures, which will serve as key entry points around stadium at Gol Sur front, where commercial area will be located. Aluminum framing and glass panels have been installed. Only interior fittings remain before spaces can host shops and businesses. South diamond structure also continues progressing with beams and columns in place. The large Esplanade leading to lateral sector is nearly complete and ready for finishing once Phase 1B occupancy license is granted. At Phase 2 parking area, construction is advancing rapidly. Pipes have been removed and workers are preparing for concrete pouring. Formwork panels are shaping walls for vehicle entry and exit ramps, nearly ready. Only a few sections still require rebar installation before concrete work begins. On exterior, 9 decorative aluminum slats are now visible, most likely serving as color tests for final facade design. 3 diamonds along lateral sector, connecting parking area to stadium, are structurally defined. Most of surface is already concreted except extreme north and south goal ends. Once finished, this space will serve as temporary operation zone. At North Goal, work continues with rebar installation, and Phase 3 parking area has been leveled with sand, preparing next stage. Near North Diamond, concrete blocks are being installed to form walls for first VIP ring and museum area. Scaffolding is visible on upper sections of third tier, where additional structural elements will be built. Across North Goal sector, temporary supports hold formwork for upcoming concrete pours. North Goal main, stand diamond, site of future cafe, is also taking shape. With new access signs appearing daily, our return to Camp Nou feels closer than ever. In main stand, concreting continues around light poles, and ground will soon be raised and paved. Future Barça store diamond is progressing fast. Aluminum profiles are complete, and glass installation will begin soon. Between South Corner and Store Diamonds, only one small area remains to be leveled and concreted. Finally, enjoy panoramic view of stadium's South Corner and main stand. Third tier fully constructed, every hollow core slab in place. Now we just await first roof support pillars to rise. And that's the latest update from the new Camp Nou. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.